The Wolf and the Goat. Hope you enjoy it! One day, a wolf saw a goat grazing at the edge of a high cliff. A hungry wolf spied a goat browsing at the top of a steep cliff, where he could not possibly get at her. The wolf smacked his lips at the thought of a fine goat dinner. Oh, my stomach is very hungry. Is what I said good? Wow, I'll be eating delicious food soon. Do you know? It turned out that the goat quietly saw the movements of the wolf. Then the wolf said, "My dear friends," said the wolf in the sweetest voice, "aren't you afraid you will fall down from that cliff? Come down here and graze on this fine grass beside me on soft, level ground. That is a very dangerous place for you," he called out, pretending to be very anxious about the goat's safety. "What? It's so full. Please, listen to me and come down. Here you can get all you want of the finest, tenderest grass in the country." The goat looked over the edge of the cliff. I think the grass here is better than the grass near you, which looks unattractive, said the goat passively. "Well then," said the wolf, "aren't you cold up there in the wind? You won't be when we're grazing down here beside me on sand." "Well then," said the wolf, "aren't you cold up there in the wind? You won't be when we're grazing down here beside me in this sheltered area," said the wolf to find another reason. My fur is warmer than down there." "Oh, okay, but the grass tastes better down here," said the exasperated wolf. "Why not alone?" The goat looked over the edge of the cliff again. "My dear wolf," said the goat with annoyance, "how very, very anxious you are about me," she said, "and how generous you are with your grass. But I know you, it's your own appetite you are thinking of, not mine." So friends, what is the moral value of this story? The moral value is don't be easily influenced by someone's words. Friends, this is the end of the story. I'm sorry if I have a bad pronunciation.